Hi guys, it's your girl Fatma Shosi 1. Y'all can call me Butterfly. It's been a while since I uploaded some videos. Come with me today as I'm gonna try some snacks, give y'all some reviews with my younger siblings with some drinks. Stay tuned. So I came to try falafel fix. I'll show you guys. They have a lot of mixtures with them sauces.
Till to till.
Okay, so what's this?
Salad,
Okay, salad,
then the
tomatoes,
cucumbers.
cucumbers, lovely.
You use pickles,
Yep, I do.
chicken.
Okay, we are gonna go for the chicken.
Dayten. Tam dayten. Nabakete. Abdallah.
Wow, it looks delicious without even testing.
The garlic sauce.
Okay, garlic, here we go.
Then you have tahini. This
What's
like
that?
Tahini.
Oh, tahini sauce. Okay, I've never tried that. I would love.
It's made from sauce.
Okay.
We have the mint with yogurt.
Oh, mint, lovely. I love mint.
Then the cheddar cheese.
Okay.
Not spicy?
Chili sauce, right?
Oh, this is hot sauce.
Oh, hot sauce.
Yeah. Give it the good mix.
All right. So falafel fix. Now we're gonna mix this. So falafel mix. So this is loaded crispy with cheese, mozzarella and chicken. So I'm gonna mix this mixture. Bismillah. Wow. It's so yummy.
What is this to cook with?
Y'all, it's so good. Y'all need to try this out. Okay, eat. Bismillah. What? You like it? How many percent?
10 over 10.
Wow. So falafel fix to the world. You love it, right?
Number 1.
Yes. This is a strawberry flavor. The baddest. I used to love mango, but the strawberry is good too. It's so yummy.
Mom tired, I want to sit.
What do you think? It's not good. It's yummy. Like me and her, we already love it.
7.
7 out of 10. It's because it's chicken. You love beef, that's why. What about this? How much do you rate? 10 out of 10. Wait. So, salsa mango. Okay, now we call it a day. Done for the day, heading back home. This is called Vitória. But since its menu is gonna be Vitória, it's like a seed mixture of sugar, water with the color. Now you're gonna chew and remove the seed. You see, you're just gonna eat the outer coat of it. So I just reached back home. It was a lovely experience. I hope you all liked and enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Kindly don't forget to subscribe again. Stay blessed. Love you all.